Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sometimes the instructors conduct more than the required number of quizzes, and at the end they want to select best 2 or 3 quizzes for each student. So I have created a simple template in Microsoft Excel that can help you in these scenarios. So let's say you have conducted 3 quizzes and you want to select best 2 for each student. You give best 2 over here, and let's say you have 3 values. So here you will see the best 2 values selected for each student, and the sum will appear over here. You can give a maximum of 10 values for each student for each record, and you can select a maximum of 9 values for each individual record. You can download this Microsoft Excel template from the link given in the description of this video.